Now, even zoo animals are coming down with the virus.
Displaying some symptoms, including coughing and digestive issues.
Have you ever wondered if a lion could catch COVID-19 and pass it on to a human? It sounds unbelievable, but that's exactly what happened at the Potawatomi Zoo. Today we dive into this extraordinary case, uncovering the details of the event, the science behind zoonotic transmissions, and what this means for both humans and animals. Stay tuned as we unravel this incredible story. Just when we thought we had a handle on COVID-19, nature throws us a curveball. In a shocking twist, a lion at the Potawatomi Zoo tested positive for COVID-19 and transmitted the virus to a human caretaker. How did this happen? What does it mean for our understanding of the virus? And what precautions should we be taking now? Let's dive into the full story. Chapter 1. The Incident. Our story begins at the Potawatomi Zoo in South Bend, Indiana. In the midst of the pandemic, zoos around the world have been on high alert, implementing stringent measures to protect both their visitors and their animal residents. Despite these precautions, one day, a lion named Leo began exhibiting unusual symptoms: lethargy, coughing, and a lack of appetite. Leo, a majestic lion known for his vibrant health and playful demeanor, suddenly seemed a shadow of his former self. The zookeepers, deeply concerned, took immediate action. They isolated Leo from other animals and began a thorough examination. Zoo veterinarians quickly conducted tests, and to their astonishment, Leo tested positive for COVID-19. This was an unprecedented case, raising immediate concerns about the health of other animals and the zoo staff. The news spread rapidly, causing a stir among the zoo community and beyond. When the test results came back positive, disbelief turned into a sense of urgency. The zoo had followed all recommended protocols, but it appears the virus still found a way in. The primary concern now was to understand how Leo contracted the virus and to prevent any further transmission. This situation posed new challenges, prompting the zoo staff to review and enhance their safety measures even further. Chapter 2. The Science Behind Zoonotic Transmission. To understand how Leo, the lion, could contract and transmit COVID-19, we need to delve into the science of zoonotic diseases. Zoonotic diseases are infections that can be transferred between animals and humans. They can be caused by bacteria, viruses, parasites, or fungi. Some of the most infamous zoonotic diseases include rabies, Lyme disease, and of course COVID-19. COVID-19, caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, is believed to have originated from bats, possibly transferring to humans through an intermediary species. This ability of the virus to jump between species is what makes zoonotic diseases particularly concerning. They can evolve rapidly, adapting to new hosts and potentially becoming more dangerous. In the case of Leo, it's likely that he contracted the virus through close contact with an infected human, possibly a caretaker. This kind of reverse zoonosis, where humans transmit diseases to animals, is less common but has been documented, especially with COVID-19. Reverse zoonosis poses unique challenges as it requires strict biosecurity measures and continuous monitoring of both animal and human health. The susceptibility of different species to COVID-19 has been a subject of intense study since the pandemic began. It was already known that domestic cats, dogs, and even tigers could contract the virus, but a case involving a lion added a new dimension to our understanding. Chapter 3. The Transmission Event. Despite rigorous safety protocols, including regular health checks and the use of personal protective equipment, it appears that the virus managed to find a way to Leo. This highlights the challenges faced by those working closely with animals during a pandemic. The transmission of COVID-19 from humans to animals, and vice versa, is a complex process. It depends on various factors, including the viral load, the duration of exposure, and the susceptibility of the animal species. Lions, like other big cats, seem to be susceptible to the virus, similar to how domestic cats can also contract COVID-19. Zoo staff are constantly in close contact with the animals, feeding them, cleaning their enclosures, and providing medical care. Even with masks, gloves, and other protective gear, the risk of transmission remains. The virus can be carried on surfaces, in droplets, and through direct contact, making it a formidable adversary in such environments. Chapter 4. Symptoms and Diagnosis. Leo's symptoms were quite similar to those seen in humans. He experienced coughing, lethargy, and a decreased appetite. The zoo's veterinary team acted swiftly, conducting tests to confirm the diagnosis. The positive test result not only confirmed their suspicions, but also raised questions about the potential risks to other animals and staff. The quick action taken by the zoo staff likely helped to contain the spread. Other animals were monitored closely, and additional safety measures were implemented to ensure their protection. The zoo went into a heightened state of alert, with every animal being carefully observed for any signs of illness. The diagnosis process involved several steps. Initial observations of Leo's symptoms were followed by a series of tests, including nasal swabs and blood samples. The samples were sent to a specialized lab for analysis, where they confirmed the presence of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. This confirmation was a critical turning point, as it validated the zoo's concerns and prompted immediate action. Chapter 5: Human Infection and Implications. The shocking twist in this story came when one of the human caretakers began showing symptoms of COVID-19 shortly after Leo's diagnosis. Tests confirmed that the caretaker had contracted the virus, and epidemiological tracing pointed towards Leo as the source of transmission. This case is a rare instance of reverse zoonosis leading to a human infection. It emphasizes the need for stringent biosecurity measures and continuous monitoring of both animal and human health in such settings. While the risk of animal-to-human transmission in zoos is low, this incident serves as a critical reminder of the unpredictable nature of zoonotic diseases. The infected caretaker had been following all recommended safety protocols, which included wearing masks, gloves, and practicing frequent hand hygiene. However, the close interaction with Leo during his treatment may have led to the transmission. This incident prompted a thorough review of the existing protocols and led to the implementation of even stricter measures. Chapter 6: The Broader Implications. The case of Leo and his caretaker has broader implications for zoos and wildlife sanctuaries globally. It underscores the importance of rigorous health protocols and the need for ongoing research into zoonotic diseases. As we continue to battle the COVID-19 pandemic, understanding and mitigating the risks of zoonotic transmissions is crucial. This incident also raises awareness about the interconnectedness of human and animal health, reinforcing the concept of One Health, a collaborative approach to achieving optimal health outcomes, recognizing the interconnection between people, animals, plants, and their shared environment. One Health promotes a holistic view of health, where the well-being of humans, animals, and the environment are all interconnected. This approach is essential in preventing and controlling zoonotic diseases. By enhancing collaboration between veterinarians, doctors, researchers, and environmental scientists, we can develop more effective strategies to address these complex health challenges. Chapter 7: Future Precautions and Research. In the wake of this incident, there has been a renewed focus on research and preventive measures. Scientists are studying the mechanisms of zoonotic transmission more closely, developing better diagnostic tools, and exploring vaccines and treatments that can be used across species. We are constantly learning more about COVID-19 and its impact on different species. This knowledge is vital for developing effective strategies to protect both animals and humans. Enhanced surveillance, regular health checks, and improved personal protective equipment are some of the measures being considered to prevent future transmissions. Researchers are also investigating how different species respond to COVID-19 and what makes some animals more susceptible than others. This research is crucial for identifying potential risks and developing targeted interventions. Additionally, there is an emphasis on improving the diagnostic capabilities to quickly and accurately detect infections in animals. Chapter 8: Lessons Learned and Moving Forward. The story of Leo, the COVID-19 infected lion, and his human caretaker serves as a poignant reminder of the unpredictable nature of zoonotic diseases. It highlights the need for vigilance, rapid response, and a collaborative approach to health. As we move forward, it's crucial to remember that the health of animals and humans is deeply interconnected. By working together, sharing knowledge, and staying informed, we can better protect all species and prevent future outbreaks. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of zoonotic diseases and the fascinating case of Leo, the COVID-19 infected lion. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories and scientific explorations. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, every story has a lesson, and every lesson brings us one step closer to understanding the world we share. Until next time.